Hi guys, today we're gonna make Maa Ki Dal with garlic naan. 2 cups of dal, 1 tablespoon of salt. Close and cook it on medium-high for 20 minutes. In the meantime, take 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Mix well. Now we're gonna start adding water slowly and make it into dough. Take 1 tablespoon of oil, knead it, form a dough ball, and then we're gonna keep it aside for half an hour. Let's see, our dal is ready after 20 minutes. Now we're gonna add water and let it come to a boil. When it starts to boil, add 1 cup of whipping cream. Stir your dal and cook it for 50 to 60 minutes. In the meantime, we're gonna prepare our tadka. Take 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 cup onions, finely chopped. Mix well. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Mine is frozen. Mix well. Once your onions are lightly brown, put 1 cup of tomato, chili as per your taste. Mix well. Add your salt per your taste. Mix. 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon garam masala, handful of kasturi methi, roasted cumin seed powder, 1 tablespoon. Mix well. Add little water so your spices don't get burned. Our tadka is ready and we're gonna add this to our dal. Cook it for another half an hour. In the meantime, we're gonna prepare our garlic naans. Take little oil into your fingers and then we're gonna make 5 equal parts of dough balls. Now we're gonna take our dough, put some oil in your fingers if you like, and then thin your dough really well, as much you can. I have here fresh garlic and dry parsley. I'm gonna mix it up and then spread this all over the dough. Also put some desi ghee on it so your garlic is really nice and flaky. Now we're gonna pleat the dough, like fan it. Now gently press and pull. Now take one end and start rolling. And at the end, take that end and tuck it under and press. Similarly, we're gonna make all 5 of them. Keep it aside. Now we're gonna take our first and start forming your garlic naan. Press gently. Put some kalonji seeds. Heat up a kadahi and we're gonna take our naan, put water on one side and water side down. Now flip your kadahi over and let it cook. Here we go guys, our maa ki dal and garlic naan is ready. I hope you guys liked my video. Thank you for watching.